Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video today I'm going to share my everyday nighttime skincare routine. So as it is already 11 in the night and I was going for my nighttime routine, so I was like, why not film it? So yeah, here I'm filming my nighttime skincare routine. So if you want to know what I do for my nighttime skincare, then please keep on watching. Guys, I have quickly removed all the makeup from my face using this Garnier Micellar water. So guys, you need to make sure that while you sleep, you do not sleep with makeup on your face. Like, this is the time when your skin is not exposed to any outside pollution or dirt or the light. So this is the time when you apply the products on your skin and they will work the best. Like, they will actually help your skin the most. So make sure that you just do not sleep with your makeup on or with some other products on your face which will going to harm or damage your skin in the night. So make sure you remove your face makeup. You can use micellar water like I have done, and then after that I follow the CTM routine, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. There is this 10-step Korean skincare routine. I can't follow all the 10 steps, so I have extracted just 3 steps out of that, which is called CTM, which is very simple and very easy routine which anybody can follow. So yeah, then first we'll be cleansing the skin and I'll be using this Pond's face wash. It is an anti-pollution plus purity face wash with activated charcoal. I've been using this for like weeks and I've been liking this a lot. Not weeks actually, since months I've been using this face wash, and it has a very nice cream like consistency, if you can see. So I'll be washing my face off with this one. Now after washing my face off, I'll be moving to the next step, which is toning, and I'll be using this Plum Green Tea toner. Now guys, what is the use of toning? Like, why do we tone our face? Like people just skip toning, they just wash their face and then they moisturize it and then that's it. So what toner does is, see, a toner will, I'll be just taking it on the cotton pad. What toner does is, it will remove the impurities or the dirt from within your pores. From like you have cleaned your face with a face wash, but toner will clean your pores, will just go little deep into the skin and it will clean your skin better. When after washing my face off, a lot of dirt has been accumulated on it. It might not be visible on the camera, but yeah. And if you have applied makeup and after that you are washing your face, then toning is must. Because see, other I also didn't used to tone my face and I just used to wash my face and apply moisturizer and apply other products and I used to sleep off. But then when I started toning my face, I was like, what is the benefit of applying a lot of products on your face when your face is not even clean, right? So make sure that you tone your face also if you get time, because it doesn't just clean your face from within or clean your pores, it also maintains the pH level of your skin. Like, pH level is something which calculates how much your skin should excrete oil or how much dryness your skin should have. So all those things are there because of the pH level of your skin. So in order to maintain pH level of your skin, toner is a must have, and I've been liking this Plum Green Tea toner a lot. You should definitely give this one a try. So after toning the face, we'll be going ahead with the moisturizer, and again I'll be using this Plum Green Tea moisturizer. Guys, this moisturizer is a total love. You can just see how much I've used it. I have just finished this whole tub, so you can just imagine how much I love this moisturizer. And guys, I am not sponsored by Plum. This is a total non-sponsored video. I wish I was sponsored by Plum, but unfortunately I'm not. So I've been using these products and I have been actually liking these. so that's why I'm recommending these products. So I'll be taking this much of this plum moisturizer. It has a very nice gel kind of consistency, so very good for oily skin type people who do not want to apply thick whipped kind of texture on the skin. So I'll be warming it up in between my hands and I'll be applying it over my face in circular motions. You need to make sure that you provide all the hydration and moisturizer to your skin which it needs in the night, because like I told you, this night time is the best time when your products are actually going to work. Like, I'm not saying that the products will not work in the daytime, they will work in the daytime, but at night your skin is not exposed to anything which is there outside. So guys, this was the CTM routine, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, which I follow every day. Even in my daytime I do all these 3 steps. So if you follow these 3 steps, you will for sure see a change in your skin. Like, you need to follow these steps religiously for like 2 to 3 weeks at least, then you will be able to see some difference in your skin. So that's it. Now my face part is done. Moving on to my eye, like under eye area. If you have some dark circles in your under eye area, then you should use an under eye cream, which you can apply on in the night. And as I told you, in the night the products work the best, like in the best way possible. They work on your skin. So I use this Olly Eye Spice Soothing Under Eye Jelly with aloe vera and cucumber in it. So it has also very nice gel kind of consistency, which you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it is very much transparent. So I'll be taking some and will be applying it on my under eye area and will be massaging it. So that's all for my under eye area. Now the last part is the lips, and I'll be using this Foresence Berry Lip Balm from Nature's Co. I'll be listing all the products in the description box below so that you can check it and buy it if you need. So I'll be using a very nice amount of it and will be applying it over my lips. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. It is a very simple routine, like I'm just filming it, so it is taking this much time, else it will take hardly 3 to 4 minutes to follow this simple CTM routine. And if you'll follow it, you'll surely see a huge difference in your skin in 2 weeks or so. Like, you need to follow it for at least 2 weeks to see a good difference. So that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon again with another video. Till then,